Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, welcome to the breaking news. Today, I am Anissa Syafidi Deshawari will accompany you for the next 5 minutes. Okay viewers, let's start the news.
Lava in new eruption. Indonesia's most active volcano erupted on Wednesday with a river of lava and searing gas clouds flowing
has exposed Indonesia uneven distribution of healthcare. In May, 2 months after Indonesia reported its first COVID-19 case in remote area of West Sulawesi,
I will accompany you to listen some actual news. Indonesia entered a new era in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is marked
in high alert Sunday amid warning of armed protest ahead of President-elect Joe Biden inauguration. In Michigan,
48 hours. The company boasts that the event will
from Palu City. The Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency, or BMKG, activated tsunami early warning alert status for West.
After Sergio Ramos penalty helped Real Madrid win El Clasico.
Or CNBBR. Orangutan were released after did some rehabilitation for several years. Orangutan were released at the middle of the park.
Secretary General Ahmad Junaid said on Monday evening, the House has prepared all things needed to welcome
2 trucks and a car in the area of the Mosque Altin towards Tamini Square, Taman Mini Indonesia Indah.
On civil liberties. That's all for the breaking news today. Imagine the economy and trampling on civil liberties.
22 near Vladivostok. Resident which
of organization that deal with tracking the
wealth and case of coastal erosion as well as
Sunday delay the reopening of the city, home to 5 million people.
Science 2 gave a speech in Arabic Jakarta GP. Saudi Arabia King Salman bin Abdul Aziz
from their home in the Ciledug in the housing complex.
June in 2 months. This test will determine all of Indonesian students are worthy or not to pass the school.
As demonstrant in Net TV afternoon news, Thursday, 15 March 20.
Just got back from their trip to Berlin for the Earth Day.
Adaptation of Lil Brooks' Dalton novel, which follow a lonely sense in
Industrial. Jakarta Compasscom, thousands of the workers at the Pulau Gadung industrial area in East Jakarta stage protest of the Omni Bill
of information. Well, let's begin the news today.
Good morning viewers, welcome to the breaking news. Today I am Adisin Puspita will accompany you.
Motorcycle that come from the opposite direction outboard. The accident made the motorcycle rider was killed instantly after being hit by the.
It will be his first project with the streaming service. Kune and Smokehouse Picture Grand Hasselhoff will produce the adaptation of Lily Brooks' Dalton novel, which
at midnight on Monday, July 15 and runs for 48.
Qatar test activity. Rumor of Marc Marquez will be replaced by Andrea Dovizioso at least until the start of the season has returned. This news has been spreading since the
Jakarta and Kota Casablanca had it worse. The contagion is also followed by heavy rain.
The NPB 10 victims who died due to various causes. 2 people.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On 8 February 2003,
Walker has claimed that she lost her kidney without her knowledge while she worked in Doha, Qatar 3 years ago.
Sri Robita, 25 years old, told the Indonesian press on Monday that she only realized what had happened before when she returned.
Diplomatic home countries accompanying the explosion, such as the UK, France, and the UAE. Mr. Navalny is a vociferous critic of Russian President Vladimir.
On a typical day, the volume of vigilantes is increasing, especially during the long weekend. The conjunction occurs in
Today I will be accompanying you to 30 minutes forward. Tangerang Floodwater Rose, Tangerang Disaster Mitigation, Tagana, team evacuates hundreds of residents.
Today, COVID-19 of coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by a new virus called SARS.
Begin the news.
Heavy rain has flooded the south coast region of Aceh. The heavy rain has high intensity during the last 3 days.
Cup stream in 2014 and his third Ballon crown in January 2015. The
3 minutes forward.
Day to work. Today, I report the news about George Clooney to direct and star in Good Morning Midnight for Netflix.
Soon be joining the fight against the virus. In the preprint posted by researchers at the University of Perth, the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine showed 66.7%.
Their homes in Ciledug Indah Complex in Ciledug, District Tangerang after floodwaters in
Dash Act 58. Veteran actor Didi Widiatmoko popular.
With me, Vinia Mayanti. We will perfect the last and most curious about the VD of the SJ1.
A fuel truck lost control while speeding on the Manuharjo road.
2019 is an infection disease caused by a new virus called SARS-CoV-2. This disease first identified in Wuhan, China, in the end of 2019. The virus was
living in a town, Surabaya, is Japan. On Thursday, March 50, 2020, when the occurrence occurred, the individuals overburdened by escaping. The wind was so solid.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers, I'm Zili Chandra Gupta, will accompany you for a few minutes and will provide you with the latest and most current news only on Late Morning Breaking News. Alright, let's start the news today.
Hit 11 of 13 regions or cities in South Kalimantan. This disaster had been going on for 2 weeks, with a water level of more than 1 meter. Only the district of Tanah Bumbu and Kota Baru were not affected. Sunday, 24 January 2020, evening, the emergency response post recorded that 712,129 people.
Patty Thompson, Public Information Officer for the Illinois Emergency Management Agency, confirmed for the USA early Friday. The victim was a 67-year-old woman. The Rockford Fire Department confirmed via Twitter on Friday. 11 more people were treated for injuries at local hospital, the agency said. The tiny hamlet of Fire
6 February 2021. Student of junior
occurrence occurred. The individuals overburdened by escaping. The wind was so solid we all used up the house.
Today. High flood, the Semarang to Kendal Pantura route is paralyzed. The rain that overflowed Semarang for nearly 12 hours flooded the capital of Central Java. Flood almost 1 meter high resulted in congestion on the Mangkang
virus and get its economy going again. Mr. Joko Widodo, or Jokowi, 59, as a president of Indonesia, was the first person in the country to receive vaccine shot on Wednesday.
Capital city Jakarta. On a typical day, the volume of vehicles is increasing explicitly during the long weekend. The congestion occurs in many parts of Jakarta, and Kota Kasablanca has it the worst. The congestion is also followed by heavy rain that floods the area.
Indonesia, a fuel truck lost control while speeding on the
Mangwarjo Road, Surabaya, and suffered serious incident.
But due to this pandemic is pent up, everyone across the country has changed how business works, has reflect in-person meeting.
To prevent massive transmission is to know the symptoms. Fever is the first symptom the most COVID-19 patients suffer. There is a tendency for patients.
The tremor was in providence of 10 PM. Site national as per BMKG,
including the capital is Jakarta. A typical day, the follow force face increasing, especially during the long week.
In Jakarta and Palembang, the opening ceremony will be held in.
This is more common than chronic bronchitis. Acute bronchitis often develops from a cold.